What is one of the best suburbs in the Tulsa, Oklahoma area? That is Owasso. And today we are going to do what we always do, and we're going to look at 3 different houses in 3 different price ranges. But we're going to be in the master plan community of Stone Canyon. And let me tell you, you're going to want to watch everything. There are homes priced between, in the 600,000 range all the way up to the multiple millions price range. This master plan community has multiple neighborhoods. There is a huge focus on nature. It's 3,000 acres. It was once the Oxley Ranch, and you can see that nature is a theme throughout the elementary school that I'm going to show you, throughout the Patriot Golf Club that I'm going to show you at the end. Throughout all the features, there's hiking trails, there's walking trails, there's a 100-acre lake, there's a neighborhood pool, stocked fishing ponds. There's so much to Stone Canyon. I can't wait to show you, and I know you're going to love it. And if this is your first time to our channel and you want to know everything there is to know about living in Tulsa, Oklahoma and the surrounding suburbs, then tap that little bell notification and subscribe. That way you can be the first to know what's going on in our local Tulsa area real estate market. I'm Sabrina Shaw, and I am a local real estate agent here in the Tulsa area. And I help people like you who are looking to buy and sell in Tulsa, Oklahoma and their surrounding suburbs all the time. And let me tell you, we absolutely love it. So, whether you're moving in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, send us a text, shoot us an email, jump on a Zoom call, and we would love to help you make that seamless move to Tulsa, Oklahoma. Now today, like I said, I'm showcasing Stone Canyon. There are so many neighborhoods. It's definitely going to be more than one video, but we've got 3 different neighborhoods that we're looking at today. And I will tell you, Owasso is about 20 minutes from here. You're about 20 minutes to downtown Tulsa. You're going to be about 45 minutes from Sapulpa, 45 minutes from Bixby to get, clear across the other area, the other suburban areas of Tulsa. Owasso is more of its own little community, and you're in the northern area of Tulsa, so there's more, I feel like there's more rolling hills. It really is pretty, and every time I'm at Stone Canyon, I'm like, I could live here. It really is just, like I said, such a great master plan community, and we will get started right now. One of the great things about Stone Canyon is that it has its own elementary school. The elementary school serves grades pre-K through 5th grade. They're set up in pods to help it be easier for kids to transition and know each other. It's supposed to create an optimal learning environment. Stone Canyon serves grades pre-K through 5th grade. Their hours are 9 to 3:45. Pre-K kids go a little bit different, and it's morning and afternoon sessions, but they're set up with a focus on nature, as is, Stone Canyon, as we've talked about. And so there's an outdoor classroom. As you can see, they're surrounded by nature, and there's a lot of focus there. So nature is a theme of the school system. And another thing is Owasso, the city itself, is a city of character. And so they really emphasize character traits. And so Stone Canyon is an elementary school that has adopted that as well. So each month they concentrate on a new character trait. The character is a big part of their focus in everything that they do. We're going to change it up a bit, and we're going to start with the highest priced home. We're here in Highland Meadows, which is in the gated part of Stone Canyon. The HOA is higher. Your HOA is going to be $1,790 a year. And there are a handful of neighborhoods in this edition. Obviously you're going to have the bigger homes. In Highland Meadows, you're about 3,500 to 4,500 square feet. On average, this house is actually 4,655 square feet. It's priced at $1,045,000, putting that price per square foot at $224. Now, it's a 5-bedroom, 5.5 bath, 4-car garage, and it's on a 0.67 acre lot. And so in Highland Meadows, your houses are going to sit between, a half an acre and really 3/4 of an acre for the most part. And I don't know if you can see, but they've got the sprinkler system going. So this has a sprinkler system, 2 en-suites in the house. Absolutely stunning, great floor plan, as you can see from the pictures. So let's go check out the neighborhood. Your houses in Hawthorne are going to have about 1/3 of an acre lot. This house that we're looking at is a 5-bedroom, 4-bath for $689,000. It's 3,796 square feet, putting that price per square foot at $181. This is one of the smaller neighborhoods right now. It's just phase 1. Your HOAs are going to be $855 a month, and your houses are going to be built between 2021 to presently. Okay, we are in the 5th phase of Deer Run, and this house that I'm in front of is actually the most affordable house in Stone Canyon as we speak, as I'm recording this video. This house is $599,000. It's 3 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, 2,700 square feet, putting that price per square foot at $221. Built in 2023. Your houses in Deer Run, starting from phase 1, they were being built in 2016, and so here we are in phase 5, built 2022, 2023. You're going to have, half-acre lots. Okay, now I'm going to take you to the Patriot Golf Club, which you are not going to want to miss, which is a premier golf club in the Tulsa area itself and in Stone Canyon. Patriot Golf Club is part of the master plan of Stone Canyon. It is a country club, so there is a membership for joining, but they have an amazing golf course. There's a club pool, a clubhouse, there's a store where you can get groceries, you can get items that you need. You have the Folds of Honor, and the Patriot Golf Club is the Folds of Honor's primary benefactor. We're actually in front of the Folds of Honor Foundation, and the Patriot Golf Club is a primary benefactor of that. And they provide scholarships and other resources for spouses and children of our military heroes who were disabled or lost their life serving our country. You've got the huge clubhouse. So there's a pool in Stone Canyon for Stone Canyon residents, but this is a pool for the Patriot Club members that have TVs. They've got cottages that you can cater food to. There's a store where you can take in grocery items. There is a wine club to where you can get a membership and get wines. Okay, let's take a look. And I want to show you, what the average house is. I want to show you like the lowest priced home, the highest priced home. And of course, actually like the first one on our list here that's active is $599,000, which we saw, in person in Deer Run phase 5. So I'm not going to go over this one again, but I ran numbers so we could see the median priced home. Okay. And so for active listings, so right now, there are several phases of neighborhoods in Stone Canyon where houses are being built. So there is a lot of inventory. So we have 29 houses that are active on the market, with the lowest priced home being $599,000 and the highest priced home being $6,250,000, which we'll be sure to take a look at that one too. And the average square footage is 4,000 square feet with a max of 7,900. And well, it's saying a minimum of 0 because a lot of times there's 0 for the square footage because it's like between, 3,500 and 3,750. So that's not, we don't have a good number there. And also for our active inventory, 2010 is your minimum year built, and the average is 2020. All right, then we go pending. So we've had, and I've done this, this is what's going on in the market the last 6 months. 7 houses are under contract right now. Usually, that's about a 30-day process. When it's new construction, it's going to be longer. So the minimum price was $657,000, and the max price pending was $1.995 million with an average of $1,264,000. So Stone Canyon, definitely in the Tulsa area, discounting Midtown, Stone Canyon is going to have some of your highest priced homes. But as you can see from the footage, it's an amazing community. And closed sales, again, these are homes that have closed in the last 6 months. And 25 homes have closed in the last 6 months with a minimum of $560,000 and a maximum of $6,250,000. So, we've had sales on both sides. As far as the average sales price, $847,000 in the past 6 months is the average sales price, and $744,000 is the median. Homes are 99.8% of list price. So they're going, the homes sold for 99.8% of list price. So almost, at least list price, with a maximum of almost 115%. So 15% over minimum, 90%, 91%, so 9% below. Okay. So the average sales price in Stone Canyon is $848. So let's look at an $848,000-ish house. Okay, we've got 869. So let's check this one out. 2022. We've got a 5-bedroom, 4-bath, 4,509 square feet, 0.61 acre lot. It's in Highland Meadows, which we were there. Gorgeous house. Love the flooring. Great bathroom. So that is about, your average price house in Stone Canyon. So that's $192 per square foot. Let's just go to the most expensive active house, $6,250,000. Been on the market 7 days, 5 bedrooms, 6.5 baths, 2.4 acres, over 6,000 square feet, in-ground pool, built in 2019. And this is in the Bluffs at Stone Canyon. I've got some great footage of the Bluffs. There are some beautiful houses in there. I'm going to do a video just over the Bluffs. But look at this beauty. You've actually got 2 pools in this house. So you've got a resort style pool, and then you've got a tidal pool tanning area. You've got a grand entry. This is the great room, gas fireplace. The windows, could be formal dining, formal conversation area. Actually, this isn't dining. This is just a formal place to sit and talk. Oh my goodness, that kitchen. Look at that oversized island, double sinks. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, then you've got Scotsman ice machine, formal dining space. What kind of appliances were those? Sub-Zero fridge. Oh, right here, you've got the Sub-Zero fridge and freezer. You've got the microwave in the drawer. Thermador range. Oh, galley sink. Oh, look at this prep kitchen. Wow, wow. Double ovens, fridge, dishwasher. That is perfect. This is one of the offices off the pantry. I'm not going to take too much time, but wow. Theater room. This is absolutely beautiful. This is the master suite. You've got the great view because the Bluffs, you actually have views of the canyon. It's absolutely gorgeous. And this master bath. Wow. His and her vanities. Wow. Huge shower. That closet. This is the hers closet. Craft room, executive office. Wow. The office has its bathroom attached with a shower. The outdoor kitchen, workout area, full-size gymnasium. Beautiful pools. You've got the tanning ledge and tidal pool right here, the fire pit. Look at those views so you can really see it here. This is the second pool. There you go. That is stunning. Okay, well, I wanted to just show you a little bit. Like I said, I'm going to be doing a video just on the bluffs, but Freedstone Canyon, there's several more neighborhoods to see. Again, this is the premier master plan community in the Tulsa area for sure. It really just can't be beat. And if this video was helpful, then give it a thumbs up. And if you're thinking about making that move to Tulsa, Oklahoma, and you're interested in Stone Canyon, or any of the surrounding suburbs, any other neighborhoods, reach out to me and either I or someone from my team will talk to you, and we would love to show you around town.